supposedly the height of summer, but it feels April-like, with 15 or 16 degrees given for the day. And nevertheless, I think I go and do a bit of trout fishing today. And on the way to the lake, I have a look if Mr. Ross Tones is in the mood too. You tried flies?
I have. So I've gone for these. This is like a Bibio replacement, and I've had
a Bibio replacement. A Bibio replacement.
Well, we'll see if it outcatches a Bibio.
So, are you putting on your Bibio replacement now?
Yeah, I think it probably will be.
Okay, we'll see what it does.
Guess what it took?
Oh, it took the Bibio replacement. Shocking! Shocking!
It's only small though.
So, whilst Ross is catching them on the Bibio replacement, I have a proper Bibio put on. Oh, there's weeds right in front of me. Reeds and oh, it's gone. Wow. And that wasn't even a bad fish. Oh, missed another one. They are going. They are going. Best fishing in the world. It is on the Wickham's Fancy and gone away. Wonderful. Oh, slippery stones. I should know by now. Ah. That's on the proper Bibio, and it's a proper fish. Delightful. I'll put that one back, but the next one of that caliber shall be kept. I foul hooked one. I thought that already. Chunks. That's a small one. And on the Bibio. On the Bibio. On the proper Bibio. It's on the proper Bibio. Oh, you see, you have to strike into one any moment now.
Any time now.
I think this is another foul hooked one. Oh, it is a really good one. Must be foul hooked. Oh, there are two! There are two! Oh my God, how do I handle this now? Oh, one foul hooked and one properly hooked. That is really skillful fishing, this. Oh! The Bibio! Nice fish they are, really nice.
And the Bibio Replacement.
Oh, you got one as well? Very good. You see, it is the color combination.
It is.
On the Bibio, the real Bibio. Oh! Where is it? Oh. Another one foul hooked. I'm getting good at this. Stumbling along here. Yo. I still haven't got that close-up of your fly attached to a fish now. Now catch one. You missed another one. It's unbelievable. When this camera is on, it is like jinxed. Oh! Oh! Yay! Very good. Not a small one.
No, and it's on the video.
Very good. On the replacement Bibio.
On the replacement Bibio.
Very good.
Well, it's not on there. It's foul hooked.
Is it foul hooked?
Yeah.
But that looked a good fish when it took. Oh, yeah. We are getting good at this, really. Very good. The masters of foul hooking.
I know.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is.
That happens usually once every 2 years, but today every third fish is like that.
Unbelievable.
Oh, yeah. Where is he leading me to? there you have your first pen-size fish.
I think so.
Very good, sir. Wow, that's a good one. This is a magnificent place. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. On the Bibio. On the Bibio Replacement. No. Or on the other one. The other one. Very good. I only catch small ones now. That was a quick release. Oh, yay! But they are all small. I haven't caught a keeper yet. Look at them. And the Bibio is not on again. Amazing. This morning most of them were on the Bibio and now they go for the Wickhams in my case. Strange, isn't it? They have stopped really. They are just not taken anymore.
I think I saw a fish right there.
Did you catch it? I mean, this is the home run anyway. And I haven't caught a keeper yet. Well, I was too generous earlier on. You know what, Ross? I think for the middle of July we didn't do bad at all.
Exactly. I think it was okay.
Yeah, that's what I think as well. And therefore it's time to go for a nosh now.
I can't wait.
Yeah.